guys, welcome back for another video. Hi guys, welcome. So in today's video I will be decorating my patio. I already have these patio furniture, but I'm gonna add a curtain, and I think I want to add some lights. I don't know if I don't have the lights as yet, so I might add that in another clip. But for now I'm just gonna show you what my patio looks like. The furniture that I have was already purchased, so I already had these furniture for a little while, but I'm just adding a few pieces, and it was freshly painted. So since I had the furniture off the patio and I'm gonna just clean it up and just, you know, organize and stuff, I thought I might show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little clip, the before color of what my patio looked like, and then you'll see the new painted color. So stay tuned. So this is what my patio is looking like, and I love the new color. That's it. And I'm going to show you how it looks on the other side. I just have this chair out here. It was holding the door, but it's just like it's a spare chair, you know. So this is the patio, this is the before, and that's Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. The curtains are up. So I already had the black and white mat, the pillows, the whole set, and that the only thing that's new is the curtains and the curtain rods. So that's the little vibe out here, and I want to add some little lights up here, and I do need to get 2 more panel to complete the look, because these 2 won't be able to close the curtains, but I love it and it looks so nice, and I love this new paint color. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me show you from this end. So that's that side, and I might add some wall art on that. Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and also share with your friends and family. And yeah, I love how this space turned out. Even though I had the pieces already, the curtain made a big difference. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.